Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. You have admin or manage server, and you know basic rules you want enforced. First, invite Wick Bot and grant it manage roles and manage channels so it can act. Once invited, open a channel for bot setup and run the initial setup command to set the prefix and default auto mod thresholds. Make sure you place Wick Bot above mod roles in role settings. Otherwise, it cannot assign or remove roles when enforcement begins. Now you configure core modules. You enable moderation and define actions for warns, mutes, and bans, set durations like 30 minutes or permanent. Next, enable auto-mod filters for links, invites, mask caps, and spam with clear thresholds so false positives are minimized. Then set up logging. Create a mod log channel and choose webhook formatting so every action records user, reason, and moderator. Once done, test each rule with a test account to verify actions trigger as expected. Finish by running live tests for each action. Warnings, mutes, kicks, and bans using a test account so you see exact behavior. After testing, tune sensitivity. Reduce false positives by raising thresholds or whitelist trusted roles and channels. If something fails, first check role hierarchy and that Wick Bot is above mod roles. Then verify it has manage roles and manage channels. Also make sure your server hasn't hit API rate limits or that other bots aren't
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.